Good morning, Miss Hurst.
You know what? It's really cold in here. It's like, it's cold in here. Does anyone know what the temperature is? Like, I'm really freezing. I really need to know the temperature before I get anything started. Because I need to cool myself down because I'm freezing over here. Does anyone know what the temperature is?
75 degrees?
It probably is 75 degrees because it is cold. What does anyone else know what the temperature is?
32 degrees.
That's a little low. When it's 32 degrees, it usually snows. And it's not snowing in here. One more guess. Does anyone know?
0.
0. I don't think it's 0, but good try. These are some good answers. But I really need to know what the temperature is, the correct temperature. So today, you will learn how to measure temperature and how to read temperature as well. So first, we're going to start off with temperature, the definition of temperature. Does anyone know what temperature is?
Temperature measures weather.
Close, really close. But temperature is the amount of heat or how cold or hot it is, basically. And so today, you will learn how to read a thermometer. This is what this is, a thermometer. And know the degrees. And if the number is placed by a degree, you will know how cold or hot it is. And basically how to draw that symbol. Basically. So first, we're going to talk about the symbol that's on the right hand of the number. And this is called a degree mark. And a degree mark is a symbol that represents the amount or quantity. So when I say, it's 65 degrees in here, that means 65 and it's the amount of 65 in this room. So if I have a thermometer if I have a thermometer and it's filled up to the top, and let's say the top is 100, it's 100 degrees because these marks tell me, okay, it counts to 100. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So I know it is 100 degrees because my marks on the left-hand side tell me that it counts to 100 and it's filled all the way to the top. So that's how I know it's 100 degrees. Okay. So this says, okay, the next thermometer we're going to go to says, okay, it's 30 degrees. We need to know, okay, how do we get 30 degrees? How will we read this if it says 30 degrees? So what we do is we count on the sides, the number of lines. So and they go by 10. So you should know, being in 3rd grade, you should know how to count by 10s. So we're going to say 10, 20, 30. So we're going to start right here. This is 30. And then we're going to color all the way down. So this symbolizes that it's 30 degrees. And then we put our degree symbol white. Okay. So, okay guys. So this is our last one. And it says 80 degrees. So what we need to do is, can someone tell me the next step that we need to do to get to 80 degrees?
Color it all the way up to the top.
No, we don't color all the way to the top. Because this could be 100. We need to go to
80. So count on the sides. 8.
Well, go by tens first.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to do 10,
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80.
Okay, so we made our line right here. The 80 degrees. And then color all the way down. So good job, guys. So we colored this one now. This represents the thermometer is how many degrees in the thermometer?
80 degrees.
80 degrees. How many degrees is in this thermometer?
30 degrees.
30. And how many degrees is in this thermometer?
100.
100, yes. So today, what did you learn? Let's go over some things that you learned today about thermometers. What is one thing that you learned about thermometers?
Thermometer tells if it's hot or cold.
Yes, but it not only tells how hot means if it's hot or cold, but it also does what?
Determines degrees.
Yes, determine the degrees of it. So now if you see a thermometer that's all the way to the 80 mark, you know, it must be 80 degrees. Or if you see a thermometer that's at the 30 mark, you're going to say, it must be 30 degrees in here. So if I come and if I had a big thermometer and I have it in this classroom right now, I bet it will say that it is about 75 degrees in here. So we need to focus on that. Now, how many degrees it is. So now, when you go out, go home, or go anywhere, look on your thermostat. You guys know what a thermostat is, right?
Yes.
So when you look on your thermostat, you're going to see a thermometer, just a little portion of a thermometer, and you're going to see that it's red and it goes to a number. And you're going to see what number it stops at, and you're going to say, that must be the number of degrees it is in here. So now, it's a little knowledge to take home and spread to your family or to your peers about what's going on with degrees. So, good job, class.